In this video, I will show you JBL Tune 770NC versus Soundcore Space One, which is the better headphones. In the realm of wireless headphones, two contenders have caught the attention of audiophiles and casual listeners alike: the JBL Tune 770NC and the Anker Soundcore Space One. Both promise an elevated auditory experience, but which one truly delivers on the promise of superior sound? Join me on a journey and I will show you. First is the design and comfort. Our first impressions. So JBL Tune 770NC is a sleek matte black design with flush ear cushion and lightweight build and a foldable frame for portability. So it is pretty much useful and comfortable at the same time. As for the Anker Soundcore Space One, a modern look with smooth curves and metallic accent and a memory foam ear cups for a snug, comfortable fit. So it is comfortable as well. The sound quality of Soundcore Space One is silk diaphragm drivers provide crisp treble, warm mids, and controlled bass with strong hybrid ANC for noise reduction. For JBL, it has dynamic 40 drivers, delivers deep bass and cleared mids, and bright highs with ANC that reduces ambient noise effectively. For the battery life, JBL Tune 770NC offers up to 50 hours of playtime with a quick charge feature that provides 2 hours of playback in just 5 minutes. As for the Soundcore, it delivers up to 40 hours of battery life with fast charging that gives 4 hours of use from a 5-minute charge. The connectivity of Soundcore is a Bluetooth 5.2 offers low latency with touch sensitive controls and a companion app for customization, so you can customize however you want. For the JBL Tune it offers Bluetooth 5.0, ensures a stable connection with intuitive ear cup controls and a voice assistant support. So, in choosing which is better headphones, it depends on what you prioritize. For battery life, JBL Tune 770NC is a must. For sound clarity and ANC, it's the Soundcore Space One. It has better treble, mids, and noise cancellation. For portability, JBL Tune 770NC is lighter and foldable. For connectivity and controls, Anker Soundcore Space One has Bluetooth 5.2, touch controls, and app customization. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helps you out.